It's Miles from 600miles.com. A little different project today. My wife's Honda Element. The check engine light's been on forever and ever, and it was the knock sensor. KNOCK. Now, I've watched several videos on getting this thing out, and it's a real pain. It does not go along with the guys that are taking it out of the top. To get it out, the other guy shows a 3/8 ratchet, a 3/8 wobble, and a 1 1/16 inch socket. Now I didn't have a wobble, so I tried a 2-foot long extension. That didn't work, but I was able to get this wrench on there with just the socket, the reducer, and the 3/8 ratchet. And then when I was putting it back in, I put a piece of tubing over the top of so I could get a grip on it. I'll show you the picture. Anyway, so it shoves down over that, and then you can grab this and more easily put it into the engine. So I'm gonna put a link to the other guy's video because it's really freaking awesome. I got it all back together. My check engine light went off, and I'm so happy. And it's idling better. I don't know if it's related, but it is. And it had a stumble where I'd go accelerate and it wouldn't take off immediately. It would just stall. Not stall, just stumble. Anyway,